Okay, we're on record. It's 12:02. We are in Florida, driving to the airport. In the car with me is Sergeant Billy Townsend with Union County Sheriff's Office. Also in the car with me is Jim Clanton. Jim, what's your date of birth?
3/21/57 or yeah, 2/10/58, whichever one you want.
And my name is Lieutenant Tommy Barella. It is December 13th, and while we're driving the airport, Jim advised me he'd like to talk to me about the crimes that he's being accused of from the other day when he did ask for an attorney. So I'm going to read him his Miranda rights again, and then we'll have a little conversation. So, Jim, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that right?
Yes,
Anything you say or do can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand that right?
yes,
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand that right?
yes,
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand that right?
yes,
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions to make any statements. Do you understand that right?
yes,
Okay? And this goes on, I mean, whether we're in Florida, whether we're in the air, or whether we're in Colorado, those rights count. And if you decide you want to stop talking, you have that right. You understand that?
understand.
All right. Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yes,
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
yes.
Okay. So why don't you go ahead and, I'll let you start and then I'll just ask you questions, or would you rather me ask you questions? How would you like to do
Ask
this?
me questions. So long long ago, I'm sure my memory's not going to be totally accurate.
Okay. So when we contacted you the other day and we were interviewing you about your time in Colorado, did you have an idea of what we were talking to you about?
Yes,
Okay. And what did you think that was about?
about murder.
Okay, why did you think we were talking about murder? Did the cops mention the word murder to you, or no? Okay, so why did you think it was about murder?
Because I knew that was going to come up and get me one day.
Why was it gonna come up and get you? Did you murder
So I
some?
did it.
Okay, you did what?
I killed the girl they're accusing me of killing.
Okay, so you do recognize the girl that was in that picture?
Yes,
Okay, can you tell me what happened? Like, where did you know her?
no.
Okay, where did you meet her at?
I saw her get off a RTD bus, and I went and picked her up, put her in my car. I don't really know where I drove to, but it ended up in Daniels Park.
Okay, did you get in your car willingly?
No,
Okay, how did you get her into the car?
I put my arm around her and had a knife in my hand and showed it to her.
Did she say anything?
She said, "I'll go."
Okay. Had you ever seen her before?
No,
Okay, so you weren't sitting there watching that bus stop for days or anything. Did you go straight to Daniels Park? Did you go anywhere else? Did you go out to eat? Did you?
no, I can't remember where we went first. It was somewhere, and I don't even remember the roads that well. Around Quebec and Arapahoe, or somewhere in there. That's where the rape occurred.
Okay, did you do it in the vehicle?
No,
Where'd you do it at?
in a little wooden shed that was on that road that I was on.
Okay, what can you describe what happened when you raped her?
I just raped her.
Okay. Did she fight you? Did she
No,
scream?
no,
Okay. Did she ask if you were going to let her go or anything like that?
yes.
Okay. And what did you tell her?
Told her I was.
Okay. And then what car were you in?
That green station wagon I was telling you about.
All right, so it wasn't a green station wagon. Did you have sex in that car at all?
No.
Okay. So you get done raping her in that woodshed. You doing all right, man?
Hard remembering this stuff.
Oh, I know. And you know, like I said, we you know, if you want to stop, we can stop. If you want to, you know, keep going, we'll keep going. And you know, we're gonna be together for a little bit, so we got time. And
Yeah, let's take a break.
want to take a break? Okay. It is 12:07, and we are going to take a break.